it's time for a upgrade. You see, this desk has been here for quite a long time and it's starting to get a bit small. You see, I got this massive PC, one monitor here that's 34 inches and another one here. Also, when you put on, like, you know, keyboard, mouse, it's just getting a bit cramped. So what other better way to spend my own budget than to get a new desk? Now, the desk itself is pretty solid, you know, it looks nice, it looks clean, missing handles of course, but it's 140 centimeters lengthwise and 60 centimeters widthwise, which means that, you know, it's decently big, but we need something bigger. Now, when I look for a desk, I want to use these three things. First of all, the budget. Second of all, how big it is. And third of all, how good it looks. Right, let's start off with the budget. You see, I don't want it to be too expensive, but yet I don't want it to be too inexpensive. So we need to find the perfect match, and that'll be pretty much £90. You see, the second one was how big it is, and I don't want it to be too big, but then again, this is pretty big at 140 centimeters, but it's not big enough. So something above 180 centimeters will probably do. Probably the same width, because it looks alright. The width is alright, you know, but 180 centimeters is my minimum. And lastly is how it looks. You see, it's made out of wood, but it looks really good. Don't get me wrong, it looks good. However, because I got these white accents, you know, this white keyboard, white mouse, white controller, I might need a different color scheme. So I want to go for a more realistic wood texture, like just how wood looks by itself, I guess. So that's what we're going to look for. Now, enough with the app, let's get into it. What other better place to start off than Amazon? So let's go straight to Amazon and let's see what they have. Right, let's find desk and then we'll filter out from there. Now, the width, I told you it should be 180 centimeters minimum, but you know, they only have 150 centimeters and above, which is alright. Now, the depth, I said 60 to 89, which is alright. Alright, I forgot to put the budget to £90, so we're gonna do that real quick right now. £90 on the dot, and let's see what it gives us. Ooh, this one does look good. Hold up. And see, the thing I really like about this desk is just that it's got these metal frames, I guess. And nah, if I want to attach something like on the sides, it just will not work. So scrap this one. Oh, now you see this one looks alright, you know. But the only thing I don't like about it is a bit tiny. It's only 160 centimeters, but it does rise and fall. So you know what? Scrap that. Nah, let's not do that one. You know what? Scrap Amazon. Let's go to IKEA and see what they have. IKEA, searching for a desk. Now, what I've heard about IKEA is that you can customize your own desk, which means that I can have it as big, as small, as whatever I want. So let's see how much that is. See, this is what I'm talking about. Design your own desk. All right, let's design ours, and I think we're gonna go the IKEA route instead of Amazon. Ooh, they have a 200 by 60. That's not bad. Oh, and it's wood as well. Okay, that actually looks leg as well. All right, but I don't like the wardrobe thing. It just low-key ruins it. So we're gonna change that out to simple black ones. Yeah, that looks alright. The middle one. I don't really like the middle one, but I guess it's there for support. I mean, it's 2 meters. So yeah, we're gonna add a black one there, and that's a black one there as well. Right, this looks good actually. Yeah, I think this is the desk. 200 centimeters lengthwise and 60 centimeters widthwise, which is honestly incredible. For £60 as well, yo. Yep, IKEA it is. IKEA it is. We're getting this one. Now that we've got the IKEA desk down, it is time to undo this one. So I guess I'm just gonna record me doing it and speed it up. This is how it looks. And this is the result of what I've done for the past 20 minutes. Now that we have prepped the area, let's go to IKEA and get ourselves our desk. Now we're in IKEA. Let's get our desk. As you can see, there are loads of desks, but I only want one of them, and I can't find it. Yeah, I found the actual slab that will go on my desk, and holy, this is big. This is my hand compared to it. But still, £35 is not bad. You also get those legs up there, and probably gonna get these ones. £5. Now I have the code from both the actual desk and the legs itself. We're gonna go out to the warehouse and try find these parts. Let's go. So according to the screen, we need to go to aisle 22 for the big one and aisle 8 for the legs. So let's go find that. Finally, I've made it, bro. Also got these two and they're only £7. Alright, we've got the main desk secured. Now let's go find the legs. Alright, the legs are meant to be at aisle 9, so I guess we're here. So these are the legs and we need 5 of them.
Another one, another one, another one, another one.
I also got something else, but that's for another video. I'll just do a long trek all the way down to the checkout aisle. So the total is £73 for all of this. That's not bad. Now our IKEA is completed. Let's go home. Alright, now that we made it home, it's time for the unboxing. That's the most exciting part, so let's get straight into it. Right, this is actually the legs of it. Let's unbox this real quick. Yes, that is one clean leg. Right, this is where I think you can adjust the height, which is very convenient, of course. And also, get user manual, I think, and where to drill the holes. Like, if you see on the actual desk itself, there's like holes where you can already put it. So we're gonna follow those and see how that goes. Ooh, that rhymes. Right, I'm guessing this is the base of it, so I'm guessing that will go over the actual holes. So this is the actual base itself. It looks, you know, like a base. And I'm guessing you put it in just like that. Align the holes and you know, screw it down, I guess. So let's try that. We got the actual screws here. And let's try and screw it inside. Let's just see how it looks. Alright, I've now finished it, and now let's flip it over and see how good or bad it looks. Dude, it's massive, yo! Dude, this is absolutely big, yo. That looks insane. Alright, I'm gonna see how sturdy this is, just to, you know, see if it holds up my PC, my everything, so... Yo, this is sturdy, yo. I can't get cooked on this design, hold up. I stopped recording for a bit just because I didn't want to bore you with the cable management because it was generally boring. However, it is complete. It is finished, and now I'm about to show you almost a whole day's entire of work done. Alright, ready? Okay, that felt kind of underwhelming, but here it is. This is the desk. It's the complete version of the desk. Now it's absolutely massive. Like this compared to my bed, this is 2 meters. This is 2 meters. Absolutely insane. But yeah, what do you think down in the comments? Does it look good? Does it look bad? I'll give you a sneak peek of the cable management. But yeah, how does it look? Before you give me your opinion, I want to give you my opinion on the actual desk itself. In terms of sturdiness, it's really, really sturdy. Alright, let's turn on the computer after all of this. Yo, what? job. I'm smart. Beautiful. Alright, ready? Yes, it's turning. Oh. Now I do want to buy lights that'll go all around the desk itself, but that'll be in another video. You know, probably a short form because it doesn't take that long. But damn, this looks clean. I'm actually impressed. This looks really nice. Remember the three things that I started off with, you know, the budget, you know, it has to be 2 meters big, and the fact that it has to look good. Well, if it's everything, do you know what I mean? It just, look at it, just look. Now my honest review on this is that it's a 10 out of 10 desk. Fits exactly what I need, and if you realize I left a little space on here, but that's for another video, and you need to subscribe and like to find out. Catch you on the next one. See you later. Cheers.